Hello?
I'm busy.
I said hello.
Ow!
Is
Motherfucker!
your boss around?
What'd you do that for?
Is your boss around?
Yeah, he's around. Brucey, some fucking Pollock asshole for you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
He's not a Pollock. He's a gentleman. Still a fucking asshole.
Sorry, Nicky, man. How's things?
Okay.
Sweet. I got you, man. I'm big, but I'm also fast. Wake up, boy!
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you show me that again?
Oh! Ah! Oh! Enough, man! Enough! Oh! Oh. Fuck me.
You'll be alright, huh?
Oh, that's some Red Army shit, serious. You gotta show me that one. I'm
a cop! Get out of the way! Why are we waiting here? I got things to do! LCPD, who called us? The area's in right
Car ain't bulletproof.
I don't think you're going to need this.
I can't stand it anymore! I got first. Officer, proceed on foot. Get out of there! You're in shit now. You got it. Get down!
Gip, I'll Danang you good.
Kill! Kill! Kill!
I'll rip out your privates.
Hello? What do you want?
I will eat you alive,
No way.
toe rag.
Watch where you're going. Come on! Come on! Only my pimp's allowed to hit me.
Well, fuck all
It can't get any worse.
That's one bent pipe cleaner.
Next time, get out of the fucking way.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, shit.
You pussy!
Chill! Oh, hell no! Hell no!
Shit!
Hey!
You had enough?
the answer!
Aló, ¿qué onda?
Oh, man. I'm sorry.
cabrón!
El mundo solo quiere una vida tranquila.
Fucking animal!
I'm going to have to take this.
You can't do that!
Oh no! Stay away from me! Thank you, please! ¿Qué haces? Guajolote! Are you blind? Ale, ale, let's get going!
Murder you if we stop that vehicle! Look at eastbound in a dark green pickup. Get off the street, everyone! Pull over! Police!
You picked up wrong!
All civilians must clear the streets! Pull over!
Or I will break some legs!
Hey, I'm dying here. Can we go, please?
make me come after you.
Charge! Get down! I'm gonna shoot! Freeze! I'm gonna shoot your ass! You're surrounded! Right here, right now.